Oh my god, is he hiding?
Okay, he's bent over right there.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna try to hit him from the back.
Okay, cool. Just see if you can ease your way in slowly.
I'll try, but it might be rough.
I'm gonna see if I can slide in right.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Is that a dog?
Hey, who's dog in the mic?
It's mine, yo. I'm sorry. She always been doing this.
Like, I just took her out. I just took you out! Shut up! Damn, shut up! God, stupid dog, man. I hate this dog.
Man, such a stupid dog. Whoa, Jason, relax.
Yeah, bro, chill. It's a dog.
They do that.
You're right, my fault. Let's just keep playing. Hey, Brian, look out. He's about to spray in your face.
Ah, he got me, man. Ah, it's in my eyes.
It's cool, bro. Just take a minute to go get cleaned up.
It's all over my face.
Oh my god, it's a mess over there. Drop it! Drop it right now!
Drop it! Yo, is he good?
Jason, are you good?
My dog has my Louis V boxes in her mouth!
Bro!
You bought designer undergarments?
Yeah, why do you have that?
They were a gift!
Oh my god, let go! Let go! Oh my god, she just tore a hole in them, man! Thank you! Thank you for being a useless
Animal that just gives me stress. Thank you!
Bro, Jason, relax. Stuff like that happens when you have a pet.
Yeah, bro, chill. Like, it's just a dog. They don't know no better.
I'm saying. Yeah, I guess. Whatever, man. Come on, let's just keep playing. Aha! Finally, I found it. Okay, guys, we're about to win. All we gotta do is get it in the hole.
It's a little tight, but I think I can make it fit.
Hey, bro, that's all you. Do it. Get it in.
Almost there?
Let's go!
Let's go! What?
Jason, what? We won! My dog just tore up my Dragon Ball manga collection!
Ever thought maybe I shouldn't leave things I care about around my dog?
Hey, good point. But man, Jason, listen, she's a
She's a dog? Stuff like that just happens?
Jason? Jason, you there?
I don't like the way he left like that, bro.
Bro, chill, it's Jason. He rages, but he would never...
Never what? Go ahead, finish it. Because it sure sounds like he just did something terrible. Sorry, guys, I'm back. Alright, let's run up another game. Why is he so relaxed?
Jason,
Yeah, what's up, Hundo?
what happened to your dog?
I took care of it. Don't worry. Why was there a 5-second dramatic pause?
What do you mean we took care of it?
Hey, let's go. This my rank up game. Why is he ignoring you?
Jason, send me a picture of the dog.
Start the game up, bro. Oh my god, he did something to that dog.
Jason, send me a picture of the dog right now.
I can't. Now start the game up. What does that mean? What does he mean he can't?
Jason, I can't do that until you show me a picture of a dog right now.
Check your phone.
Jason, this is a picture of Clifford the Big Red Dog. I want to see your dog.
You know what? I'm just gonna queue it with some randoms. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hundo, what did he do to that dog? What did he do to that dog, Hundo? Hundo, what did he do to that dog?